Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. Today is January 2nd and I went a little cuckoo before the year ended in order to purchase some items I have my eye on before I go on my no-buy. So these were all purchased before 12/31 and I finally got them all trickling in the mail now. Basically, I deleted all my apps on my phone, all my shopping apps, Nordstrom Trunk, Nordstrom Rack, Nordstrom Stitch Fix. So I think that's going to eliminate some of the temptation for shopping for me, all right? So let me show you what I first got. First up, I ordered from Nordstrom, and I can't remember how much I paid for these, but I'll link them down at the bottom. They're a pair of bone-heeled loafers. So I went shopping with my friend Kayla from Kayla's Closet, all right? I met her in New York City in Manhattan, and we were walking around the city, and we saw these types of shoes all over the place, whether it be the Steve Madden store or within Macy's. And I told Kayla, I said, yeah, I can't do that. I can't go back to wearing loafers again. But what I decided to do is once I was home is that subliminal message, get heeled loafers, Carolyn, get heeled loafers. So I ordered these from Nordstrom. I have to look to see what the price is. I think they were like 80 bucks, I want to say. They are real leather. I quickly tried them on and they don't feel very comfy. So these are probably going back. I'll try them on one more time to make sure. All right. So what I like about them is that they're all one shade. I think I like that better. It has kind of a rubber sole, but not a lug sole. And it's kind of like on a platform here. All right. I thought these would be good to wear in the spring. All right, next up, Stitch Fix. All right, I got a little something about me. I do wear costume jewelry, as you probably know, but the costume jewelry I wear has to look authentic, all right? I saw this and it looked really cute on Freestyle, so I ordered it, and when I got it, I'm like, you know, I believe this was like $34, and I'm sorry, this looks like something $9.99 that you can get at, you know, Walmart or Kmart, all right? It's gold, but it's like a very fake gold color, and it has these plastic-like beads here. They don't even look like real beads, and it's a Y style with a stone in the front, and I'm gonna try and hold this stone close. So I don't know if this stone is like for real, but it's not like smooth. It's kind of like, I don't know, it's shellacked, and I don't even think it's a stone. I think it's some sort of resin, to be honest with you. No, this is not me. I will try it on with the outfit. I'll wear the shoes, the skirt I'm wearing, and I'll show you the sweater up next, all right? And so, yeah, that will be going back, and this is by Magnolia Grace, and I will put a link in below, or at least the style that I actually got. Next up, I saw this on Freestyle, and I just thought this was just too cute. And then I got it, and I'm like, I don't know about this. This is by One State. It's an ivory sweater. It's called the Bubble Tiered Sleeve Neck Sweater in beige, extra small. Do I need a beige sweater? No. Do I need any sweater? No, there's like no room for my sweaters. All right, but let me show you the length of the arms on this. I don't know how. I can't even fit it all in the camera. I mean, I get it's supposed to be like a balloon sleeve and everything, but oh dear, I mean, this thing is like, I can't even, it keeps going. You see this? Yeah, I will try it on, but I don't know about this. This does not look like it's going to work out for me. We'll give it a shot. Okay? Next up, and last up, are these Theo and Lee Pajamas, and these are a huge disappointment. So I went on again, Freestyle again, and you can actually Google things now to get on Freestyle, and I literally Googled Theo and Lee because I love the other two pajamas that I got already, and I came across these. And on Freestyle, these look like lavender color snowflake pajamas, right? And they looked really cute. Well, I get them in, and yeah, there might be some sort of purple in here, but it's like a dark, dark purple, almost looks like black. And there's I don't know, they're just not cute. They don't look cute to me. And they didn't have the extra small like the other ones, so I got them in a small, which isn't bad. They should still fit, and I can then throw them in the dryer, and they'll be fine once I throw them in the dryer. I'll try them on, but I'm not excited about these. I don't think they're cute. The other two pairs are really cute, and these looked really cute online, but in person, they're not so cute. They almost look like black. It's just such a dark purple, it almost looks like black. Black, gray, and like a tan, all right? Not cute like the picture showed. All right, give me a minute and I'll try 3 of the pieces on. Okay, so I got 3 of the pieces on. I have the necklace, which is going back because this does not seem like a quality necklace to me. Nowhere near. I mean, this is Walmart, yeah, $9.99. I am very disappointed in the quality of this necklace. And I do admit I'm much of a jewelry snob. I'll wear jewelry, but usually the kind that comes from Nordstrom, like Kendra Scott, or I don't know, maybe some Kate Spade. I do wear Nakamole from Stitch Fix, but honestly I find most of their jewelry just is not worth it. Alright, so this one is going back. I thought it looked really cute online. I like the style of it, but just the quality of it is a no. Alright, the sweater, it is just ginormous. I don't think that, I mean, I get it's supposed to be a balloon sleeve, but look at this. It looks like sloppy on me, I think. Yeah, I like the idea of it, but it's just a little bit overdone in the sleeves. It looked really cute online. In person, not so much. And I just kept my skirt on that I was wearing, and I'll pan down so you can see the shoes. They'll be going back as well. They hurt my feet. So see, I'm doing really good on the no buy. So even though I purchased these before, you know, my December 31st deadline, I'm not going to keep these because everything just didn't work out for me. The shoes are just too tight. They're width-wise, they're too tight. I don't want to get by any shoes that are uncomfortable. I will only buy things that fit my feet at this point. And, you know, another thing about them is they're a little stiff too. They're not a soft leather, they're definitely a stiff leather. So it's like, you're kind of like walking like this in them, like clunk clunk. But yeah, they're too narrow for my feet, so they're going back. All right, next up, the pajamas. Okay, last up are the pajamas. I kept my black tights on underneath. So if you see like something colored through them, that's why. These are small. I'm not upset that I got the extra small. The small is quite large in this area, as you can see. You know, it's an elastic waist, so it's not too loose in the waist. It's fine in the waist. There's just a lot of room here. Now, that wouldn't keep me from buying them. They're pajamas. I'm fine with pajamas being big, and plus they could be shrunk in the wash. The shirt fits just fine. I'm just not thrilled with the pattern. It looks probably better on camera than it does in person. I definitely saw in the picture it looked better on, you know, the picture on Stitch Fix than it did in person. I mean, it doesn't look anything like I thought it would. So I'll come closer so you can get a little bit of a better look. All right, it's so dark. I thought they were lavender. And then it's very busy, I think, with all these polka dots all over it. I guess it's supposed to be snowflakes. But yeah, no, I'm gonna return these. You know, I have the other two. The other two are nice. If these were a really cute pair, I would keep them, but they're not sparking joy, okay? So here's the pajamas, and again, these are a size small. Typically, I do wear an extra small, but they are 100% cotton, so they will shrink up. The fabric on them is absolutely beautiful. If you like this print, I say go for it. If you don't see this, just type in Theo and Lee in Google, and it comes up, all right, under Stitch Fix, right? You even try Theo and Lee Stitch Fix. Highly recommend the pajamas. I just don't care for this pattern. All right, thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. Stay tuned. There are going to be more videos from me, but it's mostly styling videos and shopping my closet, and hopefully soon my weight loss journey. Take care, and until next time.